Hello, Math 58 students. Let's tackle Spreadsheet 2. All right, from our D2L homepage, one easy way to find it is to go into content area of the specific day that it was launched, and you can find that on your checklist and open it from that day. If you're uncertain, you can always come here to the assignment tab up at the top of D2L. For now, I'll go ahead and click on assignments to show you that method. Then we'll scroll down to technology and groups and look for Spreadsheet 2. There it is, and we'll open it up. This teaching video will soon be loaded here under number 1, and number 2 is the spreadsheet link. So let's click on the spreadsheet link to open it since you're already watching the video. This is spreadsheet 2. First thing we want to do is go to the file menu, make a copy command. Take a look at where you're saving it to. I want to save mine into my spreadsheets. So I'll choose spreadsheets, and then I will change the words copy of to be my last name. Or my first name in this case. We'll put Dr. Lori. That works. And I have spreadsheet 2. It's saved into this folder. Double check where you're saving it to so you can find it again later and click OK. All of the spreadsheets that we're working on have 2 tabs at the bottom. One tab that we're going to do together in the video and a second tab for you to do on your own before you submit it to me. So take a look down here at the bottom. Let me move these controls for the video out of the way so you can see. So we have this homework tab that's up right now, and we also have this together tab. It's the together tab we're doing in the video. This homework tab you're going to do on your own. You can read through the directions. It says to add the values in cells A18 and B18, we can use the addition symbol. In cell C18, we type equals A18 plus B18. Note that the value in C18 is what you get if you add the values A2 and B2. The equal sign is a signal to Google Sheets that the stuff you're entering in it is a formula. So equal tells us it's a formula. We'll use an equal bar anytime we start a formula in either Excel or Google Sheets. So remember that. If you want to put a formula in a cell, use the equal symbol first. I'm going to ask you that on an exam. All right. The equal sign is a signal to Google Sheets that the stuff you're entering into it after it is a formula rather than just regular text. So always begin the formula calculation with what? With an equal symbol. Okay, good. Being a little silly here. To subtract the values in cell A21 and B21, we can use the subtraction symbol. In cell C21, we type equals, right? That tells it we're putting a formula in, equals A21 minus B21. Step 2, to add several values listed in multiple cells, we use the sum, S-U-M, all capitals, S-U-M, sum command. In cell C23, enter the formula equals sum, open parentheses, F18 colon F22, close parentheses. To compute the sum of the values in cells F18, F19, F20, 21, 22. The colon is used to indicate that we want to include all of those cells between the first ones, F18, and the last one, F22. You can type F18 colon F22, that's my puppy, or you can drag across those cells and Google Sheets will put it in there for you. If you made a mistake, you can always use this undo button where my mouse is right here. Let's get started. All right, so the sum, I'm going to click in cell C18. I know I'm in cell C18 because it tells me, and it's also highlighted. I need a formula, so what do I start with? The equal symbol. All right, find the equal on the keyboard. And then I want cell A18, so I'll click on A18 and use the plus on my keyboard and click on cell B18. Now I have equals A18 plus B18 and I hit the enter key. There's my total, there's my sum. Difference means subtract. So again, what do I start with? The equal symbol. Find the equal and hit it. All right, now the sheet says I'm ready for a formula. So I want to do cell A21 minus using my keyboard and click on cell B21. So equals A21 minus B21, hit enter, there's my formula. All right, now I'm going to come down here into F23. I can see I'm in F23 here. Again, I want a formula, so I start with the equal. Always start with an equal if we're doing a formula. Now I want to sum or total that entire column. And you can see that if I hit this sum F18, it's going to enter it for me already. So I go ahead and do that, and there's the whole thing. So now I'm finished. Now you click on the homework and enter this section here. All right, once you're done, all we have to do is close this spreadsheet, hit the back button, then we're back into our D2L home space. I can scroll down, click on and add a file, find my file,